Hi, good day. Today we will be editing a photo using PicsArt. So the photo is a photo of Yun Bin where Captain Ri from Crash landing on you. So let us skip this part. Then click the purple and pink button on the lower part of the screen. Then go to drawings. Pick canvas. Let's have the 1024 by 1024. Click the upper right button. Then add a photo. Click photo. So this is the photo of Yun Bin. So I guess the size is right. So click the check button on the upper right and then adjust the size. So I guess the size is right for editing. So let's proceed. So the black square on the lower left, click it. Then click the white color. Then click check. Then on the pen tool, or it's like paint tool, click it, adjust the size, make it 12. Or sorry, let's just make it 10. And then click other options, make the hardness 100, and then set. Now we will be doing the white markings on Captain Ri's photo. So it's like an outline. I guess the markings are good to go, so I'll just add a sticker. I'll choose the heart, and then the size would be 12, and then okay. Just adjust the size, and then let us create a duplicate layer. On the lower right part, click these 3 layers, and then add an empty layer. Then go back to it, and then pick a color of your neon highlight. Mine would be red. So I guess that would be alright. Click check, and then adjust the size, make it 50. And then the hardness should be 1. Then set, and we'll start. Mark again the white lines that you draw a while ago. And then before proceeding, go to the layers. On this button, choose lighten. And then click the layer again. So that would be now the neon effect. And then do it all again on all the white markings. And that would be our finished product. If you are satisfied with it already, you can now go to save and then click gallery. And it is now done. Let us see. Go to gallery, all photos. This is our finished product. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless.